Okay.
Okay, you can start recording as well.
Okay, now it's recording.
Okay, all right. So good evening, guys. We are group 4, and we're here to do a workshop on user stories. So this workshop will be led by an agile customer, and we will be doing our low fidelity prototype of our project. We have currently 6 users that we'll go through. And yeah, by the way, I'm Don Bernabe. I'm a software tester. Okay, guys.
Oh, hi, my name is Eden Castañeda. I'm the project manager.
My name is Barish Badbad. I'm the developer.
And my name is Dina Butko. I'm software tester.
My name is Mithun Karun. I'm a developer.
Hi everyone, my name is Colleen Kaur. I'm doing the documentation part.
My name is Uditesh Jha. I am business analyst.
I'm Roberto Aguinaldo and I'm a developer.
All right. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. Um, so this is our first user. So okay, guys. So as a user, what do you think should we, everyone will have will go through the homepage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So in the homepage, what are we looking at? Ooh,
The options for the users.
yeah. So for this, I think will every user will have this, right? So I mean,
Yeah.
so what do we want to see here?
Um, Cities availables.
Available spots, right? Available CDs. Okay.
Available.
No,
Yeah.
no, but our application is only for Scarborough for now, right?
Well, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Should be scheduled. Maybe. Yeah.
Available,
Per area.
area. Okay, that's right. Okay.
Sorry.
What else, guys? Um,
Rent the spot kind of action.
what?
Yeah,
Maybe the surcharge.
Search. Okay. Available search spot or search area. Is it
Yep,
the
maybe.
same as the available area? So what's the
Yeah, it
Yeah,
difference?
yeah.
So
So just do a
the
search
app
area.
the app would search the areas like near you. But
Oh,
if you
near
wanna,
me.
yeah, if you wanna go to another place and then search that area, uh, that would be another one. So if you're
Oh,
saying
No,
like, so yeah, like the current Google Maps, that's how it operates to reduce the usage of RAM, GPU.
mhm.
Maybe a finder option could be too.
Finder option. Okay,
Yeah.
but isn't that the search area as well? Or parking?
It's like search area because you can find something near to you or you can find something before arrive to the place. Like with
Uh,
home, you want to know if there is something close for the place where you are going to.
okay. So available area,
No,
search area,
finder option.
finder option. Okay.
Yes. I mean, public parking looks have that option, and the green parking app.
So what should we call that feature? What do you think?
Find a spot, maybe.
Find a spot. Right. Okay, so
And
yeah.
I think users should see login or sign up option to homepage.
Okay. Right.
And maybe, but I'm not sure, information about our parking company.
You can
Like about
can-
us.
Yes.
Mhm. What is it?
We can say a
it
welcome
wouldn't be in
message.
the homepage though.
What's couldn't be in the homepage? The about us?
Yeah, and I think you can delete available area because it's very similar to parking near
Search.
me and search area,
Right.
or just one of them. I mean, search area can be deleted also. Just giving out ideas. Question:
Uh-huh.
Are we including the menu list? Like, for example, about us, it's going to be probably from the drop down menu.
Yeah, I think it mentioned in the video that don't focus on the UI. So, but you know, anything we can put in anything here that needs to be, if we think we can use it for a user story, then let's input it here. Let's put it here, basically.
Makes sense.
So
Thank you. Thank you
yeah.
for the clarification.
So yeah, okay. So anything else do you think we should see in the homepage as a user?
Yeah, user should be able to see the surcharge. Like if it is a weekend, like demand would be more, so the price would be into
Oh,
two,
okay.
like
That's
2x
yeah,
or like 1.5, depends on the like demand. So it'll be easy for user.
right. That's a good point. Okay, so
Thank you.
how do we put it here? I mean, what?
Actually, the term is surcharge. SURCHARJ. Surcharge. SUR, I guess.
Oh, okay.
I know. I don't know.
But should it be a separate link, or when we go to the parking near me or search area, then it should be there, inside there?
Yeah, inside the
Maybe.
parking spot, you mean?
Yeah, because yeah, I know this is good. We should have this, but should it be seen here in the homepage already, or when we go search an area, then that's the time that we should put it, the surcharge or any fees? Does that make sense?
We should
Yeah,
see the current place, like current location surcharge or something. Oh, I don't
Okay.
know.
Right.
I try in Google in the
Just include that. We can think of
for
that later.
example,
try in Google Maps. It's a function similar when you are trying to find a gas station that show you where are the gas station all together and put the price of the gas in the app.
I was going to say it's the same as Google Maps when you click on hotels. Can you write hotels?
All hotels should be too. Yeah, but in the phone, it
Like-
shows the amount. Here you
You
need to press.
see CA 130. It's just the prices all over. Not even names. It doesn't give you the names. Just gives you the prices.
Okay.
Because that's the
So
most important thing about the parking, no?
Yes.
Location is important and the price is important.
actually, yeah, but isn't availability is our priority? But yeah, I get it. I mean, we should put this to. Okay, no problem. Let's just put it there. Okay, so now, is this all that you think we should put in the homepage?
Yeah, it looks good as of
All
now.
right. Mhm. So now let's go to the user stories. Okay. So as a user, what do we need to put in here? Anyone?
No, no.
For example, as a user, I can sign up, or I can create an account, and
Right.
after that you can log in your
You can
account.
register, sign up, or log in, right?
Yes.
And then what else? I'll go. As a user, I can search for available parking slots, right? So let's put everything here, right?
Yes. As a
What else?
user, I can find the nearest parking spots.
I think we should put everything combined because everything is dependent. Like first step is sign up login, then only we can see. So like example, we should do like I can register, sign up, login, and I can either search availability or like step by step we should put like that.
I get what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Agree.
So it's
Agree.
dependent. Yeah.
Okay. So I can search for available parking slots. I can search for available parking slots near me, right? What else? Find a spot.
About us. About as a user, I can read what the app and the company is about.
Okay, about us. Okay.
But I think maybe that can be before registration, right? Even without an account, the user.
Yeah. So we can
Yeah,
put
that's
this
independent.
at the top. At the top. Okay. I like I can see the. How
Company
should we
info.
put? Yeah. Okay. Company. Okay. Okay. What else? Search parking. Find a spot.
Mm.
And we should something add about search area.
Search available parking near me. Okay.
I can register my payment information.
Should we put it here or once we're already logged in? Like on another
No,
once we're
no.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think that will be a different screen, I guess.
A different screen, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
different screen.
Okay.
Okay. I can, as a user, I can search. What else?
Area,
I can. Mm-hmm.
I can search area, but I think we should clarify what we mean by area.
I
Okay.
can search a certain location, right, or something.
Search for available parking near me, or or is this okay? Or make it separate.
I think we should divide. For example, near
Divide it.
me it's 0.1, and specific area it's 0.2, like in the video.
Here. I can search for specific area, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. What else? Do you have anything else?
Yeah.
I think that's good.
That's good. Okay, so should now estimate, right, Dina?
Yes, now we should estimate our story.
So we'll use our hourly estimation, right?
Yes, we use 1 hour of ideal job for software developer.
So, by the way, who got the user Trello ticket? Have you guys seen your Trello ticket assigned to you?
Oh, it's me.
Okay, so we're doing your user stories, man.
Yes.
Okay. So for you, how many hours do you think you can do testing or doing this test cases?
Um.
For example, the first one, see, that's easy. Like should 15 minutes is too much for that, right? Or something. Sign up. Sign up would take like 5 to 10 minutes.
You mean testing only, right?
Yeah, yeah. Doing the user stories, like going through it, like when I look at the company information, so that'll take like, since it's in the first page
Maybe 1 hour for everything.
for everything. Okay,
Is that
that's fine. We're doing estimates, so it's
okay?
everything's in. Okay. Any objection, guys? All right. So what's next, Dina, or anyone that's seen the video? So if this is the one for the homepage, so we'll go to the next one. So what do you think when we logged in? So
Maybe profile page.
file page,
Account.
Account page.
okay, profile. And what should we put in here?
I'm thinking of adding the recent transactions, maybe something like
No,
that.
user details.
Yes, recent transactions, user settings, user details.
Payments. Like
It's already in the user transaction, right?
okay.
Payment method.
Yeah,
Yes.
payment method. Yeah,
But
you can
shouldn't
add
it be in
credit
the
card or
user
like
details as well?
I think it
it should
is.
be right. Like so you can add cards.
Right. So okay. So user, no, payment details.
Sorry, guys. I'm not sure if we correct estimate hours first, because as I see, we should estimate how many hours does developer
There's
should
developer as
have
well.
to complete the code. Because when I
Yes.
see for estimation, we
So
should
not doing a tester. Okay.
yes, amount of time it will be take to turn a story into working code.
Okay,
Yeah,
makes
I
sense.
guess the
Makes
same.
sense.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. So who are the testers here? So and how do you think how long do you think would it take for you to, for again, this one is pretty straight to the point, the company, but how about the login, the authentication? Uh, the developers.
Um. So we have to combine all the time, right? Like
Yeah, all
let's
features.
see.
Or should we estimate for each user story?
it can be like 8 to 10 hours, maybe.
8 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
It we don't need
It's-
to give the exact time. It's an estimate, right?
Yeah, but
Uh,
for estimation, we should like put in some buffer as well.
yeah,
'Cause-
that's why
Yeah.
maybe like you can add like 4 hours or 6 hour
Right.
buffer.
Right.
That's fine.
This I put in 16, meaning in a work day, that means we have 2 days to complete all of this.
Yeah, that's perfect, I guess.
Okay. All right. Any objections, guys? All in agreement?
Yeah.
All right. So anything that we need to put here in the notes besides the user stories and the estimates?
I think we have to add the notes, like make use of Google Maps to show the area or something like that.
So what do we have anything noteworthy to put here?
Maybe like we'll write like Google Maps to show the area or something like that.
Okay. All right. Anything else? So
I think we can include also in notes. For example, user can create account using, for example, Google email, or he can, for example, continue as a guest.
Yeah,
And
like
don't
social media
create an
login.
account. Yes. Or if it's in App Store, for example, continue with Apple.
okay. So what was
You
that
can write
again?
Like third
Use-
party.
social media logins.
So, Apple.
No, you don't need to write everyone, like everything. Like just write it generally, like social media login or sign up, something like that. That's enough.
Credentials. Okay. There you go. All right. Anything else here in the first point? Okay. So, for this one, what should we put in here?
As
As
a
a
user,
user,
I can
can
view my past transactions, my most recent or something like that. Recent transaction.
Or we can say I can view my all transaction of the past and recent is also fine.
I can what? I can
I was saying that I can view my all transactions. Or that's
I can
fine.
view. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you mean transaction, you say the parking receipts?
Yeah. The
Not just
The
the
money
receipts, I
that
think, like
Like where
I mean, if you are working for a company, maybe that works.
as a user. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. Just continue discussing.
Yeah, as a user, I should be able to see all my details.
exactly, yeah.
Access.
Transaction, place, receipt, everything
Yeah,
would be in the recent transaction. No
even
need
like
to separate it.
No need to
even your
say. Okay.
yeah,
All view all my. Okay. Did we put in the transaction first or the user details first?
I think anything is okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
all right.
We
Doesn't
can put
matter.
access, comma, edit, enter, and detail kind of.
Yeah,
Here?
sure.
So
Here.
that we
Okay.
will add it in the note, I guess. Editing all those stuff. We don't need to add functionalities
Here?
here.
Because when you say access, you can just see it, right? Anyway, okay. So what let's put it in the notes. Okay. How do you want to go with this? Yes.
Access to edit, modify
Delete, add details.
You
details, view.
edit, delete. Okay. Edit, view, delete. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
As a user, I can.
I should be able to add payment cards like credit card, debit card, something.
Add payment method.
I can add a payment. Okay.
Yeah.
A payment method, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and after that you can write A, for example, credit card, B, debit card, and C, I don't know.
It should be like
maybe,
Visa, MasterCard, right?
Mhm.
Instead of
Yeah.
debit credit.
Usually it's with credit card.
So what? Credit,
Yeah,
debit.
I never
I think you put it in the notes,
pay
right?
with the debit card.
Okay. So credit, debit. That's it. No more Visa, Interact.
PayPal.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe Apple Pay, Google Pay.
Etc. Let's just put in etc. Anything else under profile?
Looks good, I guess.
Okay.
Estimate
So
hours.
estimate. I think this will take longer because it involves like third party APIs for the payment method. So yeah.
So other things are like not that complicated. Only that one is the
Yeah.
complicated
Yeah.
work in
This
that. So I think we can give it 20 hours or something.
just 20 hours?
That's
I'm
enough.
thinking like 3 to 5 days, I think. But
3 to 4.
yeah. So if we have like 8 hours a day, and if we can maybe, and this
So
one, the first page takes like 2 days for us. So at least 3 days. So
yeah,
24 hours.
24. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next. What else should the user see? So I think should we break the different users now? Like one for the difference between, wait, how do you do this? Like regular user or PW user, right? PWD. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So what's the difference? Regular user first. Regular.
I think we should have bookings page also. That should be similar for all the users, right?
Yeah. All types of users can book. Okay. Book slot. Okay. What else? Cancel. A booking. Um,
Payment.
Payment.
Payment. But shouldn't it be inside when you book a parking slot?
Now I have a question. Like, why did we write like regular user as the title? It should be the screen name or component.
No, yeah, that's fine. What do you want to put here?
It should be
With
booking page or something like.
Yes, I agree with that
Okay.
one.
Booking.
It should be a
Okay.
component, like not user.
Okay, so booking
Page.
page. Okay.
Perfect.
All right. So, okay, so how
Add.
should we differentiate this from the other two users?
I
So
think we can. Oh, sorry.
So there will be like option apply promotions,
What's that?
promo code, no discount coupons.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, payment, but it's inside payment, right? The promo code, or should we put in a different one?
We will not have a separate screen for payment again, I guess.
So the payment should
So everything
be
should be done
here.
from the bookings page, right?
Makes sense. Yeah.
Because we have already added the payment like cards, so we just need to select from the some pop-up or something like that. We don't need to enter all the details again.
I think payment it's always consists in account settings or account details, where you can find information about user and, for example,
No,
payments, notifications, and
right.
etc.
I think the
Okay.
payment here, Dina, means that we will be, paying the booking,
Okay.
not the details. Like
Okay.
like in a cart, right? So proceed to payment, like things like that. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. Okay. So next, or anything else you see, guys?
No.
Nope. Okay. All right. Okay. As a user, I can what? So what's the difference? This one you can just search for it. This one you can book the parking slot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Book and pay. Um, when we say book, what's the difference? Reserve.
I think it's similar.
And okay. User can cancel a booked parking slot. So user, I can pay. Okay.
I think that we should include in booking page when a user can start parking and end parking, because we discussed that we should include this information. For example, I want to book this parking space for 1 hour or for 2 days,
Right.
and our price will depend on this too.
Okay.
So
So
booking
should we?
page,
Mhm.
yes.
So should we put it in the notes?
I think it should be like a feature, like a book a parking slot, or for example, select parking period. I don't know.
Right. No, but am I correct in thinking that when we say when we book, that's the part where what you're saying comes in,
Okay.
right? So because booking is like reserving a slot, so that's where you put in the time, that's where you put in
Yes.
how long. So yeah, I
Okay.
think. All right. So again, developers, how long do you think should this take?
Probably the longest.
The longest, longer than the profile.
I think so. Yeah.
Yes.
It's just
Okay,
like
so 5 days,
yeah,
40 hours.
let's say 40 hours because like we
Yeah.
have to check if the payment goes through.
Right.
Yeah, can they use the promo code? Does it go with the bank? Can you cancel a booking after that? Can you, return the money to the person? Maybe a little more than that actually.
Mm-hmm.
Like maybe a little more than 5 days because it's not only us, there's also a third party involved in this part. So we have to make sure that we are working well with the third parties, you know?
Right. Right. Okay. Thanks. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Okay. So yeah. Is this okay? Right. Okay. So as a user, what else can the user do?
We should add about period of time. As a
Period of
user, I can how would say set up.
setup. What do you mean?
I mean, as a user, I can choose a period of time, parking period of time.
Oh, okay. But
Uh,
here, this is the booking part, right?
yes.
So okay. Should we define booking so we can put that part that you're saying means?
Could you repeat that?
I think should we define what we mean when we say booking?
That makes sense.
When we book
I
a parking slot. Okay, so
I
because
yeah,
I
we
think what
can.
Dina's trying to say, that's already the booking part, right?
I think we should
Or
create
is
for
it
this
different?
user story because no user can, for example,
Oh,
choose for 1 hour, for 1 day, for 1 month. It's like a feature.
okay. I
It's
get it. I get it.
not
Okay.
not.
Okay, so yeah.
I can choose the time,
Yeah, okay. I can
length of
Customize.
my
length, right?
length, yeah. Length, hours, maybe you can say. Like the period. Is it period? I think it's
Yeah.
called, yeah. Length, comma, period of my booking, you know? I don't know if it's called period though.
I think hour.
You want to say like between the hour. Like you can choose the hour, sure, but you can choose any hour. Does it? If you say hour, it means like 1 hour, 2 hours.
Specific, right?
Yeah.
We can write, for example, as a user, I can choose reservation time, something like that. I don't know.
Well, when
That's-
okay, I'm still at this part where what's the difference of what we're saying now from this part? Sorry, guys. So when we say
Uh,
book a parking slot, does
so
that mean the area?
yeah, I mean like you can
Okay.
book any of them, but it means like you cannot only book, you can just also choose.
Yeah, I can.
It's like implied. I mean, normally we don't have to write it, but the person who is reading it, we have to assume they don't know anything about the app.
Right, right. Good point. Okay, I can choose the length or period of time
Of booking, yeah.
of booking. Okay. All right. Okay. This is this good with you guys, Dina?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm okay with
Okay.
that.
All right. All right. Anything else? If not, what else should the user, you know, or should we move on to a PW user, PWD user?
Could you please go up about user profile? As a user, I can assess my details. I think we should clarify what we mean by details, because, for example, if I'm developer and I'm read details, I don't know what I should do, what code I should write.
Okay. Should we put the details under notes or separate as well?
We can create points, details, for example, I don't know, email, B, phone number, C, license plates, and vehicle information, something like that.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Okay.
I agree.
So name. Okay. This will be long. Name, what? Address.
Email, I think reservation always come to email. License plates and vehicle information.
Okay. Car type. Or just put in license plate. Okay. Doesn't mean okay. Doesn't need the car type, just the license plate. Okay. What else?
And I'm not sure, but if we create application, for example, in our profile, user can add, I don't know, additional settings. For example, that he is a PVD user or he is a private user. But I'm not sure how
we can
we
put that in here. Yeah. Okay.
develop it, for example.
Define the type of, define type of user.
Yes. Choose type
PWD.
of
Type user. Define user type. Okay. PWD, VIP, or regular user. Okay. Okay. Okay, makes sense. So if I am a PWD user, I'll put it here and then give additional information, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think if you are a PWD, you have like additional IDs, so you can park at PWD slots, right? So you put in some.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
But no, I think we will describe it in PWD user story prototype.
Okay. All right. Is this good? Okay. We're still at the first part, okay? Okay, anything else? If not, let's move on to this part. What's next? Is this the last part? Is this all what a user can do? Because it's fine. We can't force anything else if it's just this one.
I think we can add one section, for example, section, I don't know, more, where user can find information, for example, phone for help. For example, if I have problems with my parking spot, I can find a number, or I can write someone a message from my application that, hey, I have a problem. Could you please help me?
For this one, booking page?
No, I think it should be other components. For example, I don't know, more. We can write more.
Okay,
Yes,
another
and
page.
yes, and in this component we can add, for example, help section. And for this section, we can write, as a user, I can get a form for help, or I can write a message to get a help with my parking reservation information.
Okay. I can get parking help or assistance. What are you thinking about this? Is this like a 24/7 thing, like a chat or a hotline?
No. No.
I think we can create, for example, a button where user
bot,
can
okay.
click call,
So
and he can connect with a support manager or with customer service.
Yeah, that makes sense.
okay. So okay. So what should we name this page?
I think it should be like more
Support.
or support. Yes.
Okay. Again, should we have this separate here or in underbooking?
I think separate.
I think it should be
Separate?
separate.
Yeah, separate is
Okay.
better.
All right. So, all right.
Maybe we can add there, like, give feedback to the app.
Feedback. Okay. Send feedback.
Like, right, yeah, like suggestions, right? As a user, I can give suggestions
All right.
to improve the app.
Okay. Okay. So, estimate. What happened? Okay. How about the others?
2 to 3 days, maybe.
2 to 3 days. So,
Just put 3.
24 hours. Okay. Have some notes here.
Also maybe as a user, like I can contact customer service or something,
Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
and I can get. Oh, it says I can give suggestions. I can get not just parking assistance, maybe app assistance also, like how to do something. Because maybe like I don't know how to add payment
Is it
method.
okay? But is we can put that in the FAQ.
Yeah.
Right?
But
The app,
FAQ is like frequently asked questions,
right?
and
About
there
the
should
app.
be a like tutorial of some kind rather than just making people
So
read.
so should we put
We
in
can
like videos?
Video directions. Yeah.
Okay. How about what are you? How about you, Garlene? What-
I would think we can add help button also, where you can ask about something if we need any assistance about the app.
Okay. So is that the bot part? Or
Yeah.
okay.
Like we are adding FAQ, frequently asked questions. Like we can
Okay.
add help also, helpline.
Assistance. This is a lot. Okay.
And I
I
think
don't know.
we can write in notes parking assistance using call and email.
What's that, Dina?
For example, if you have an urgent issue, you can call. But if it's not urgent, you can write an email to customer
Oh, okay.
service about your problem.
Okay.
Or you want to clarify something.
For
Two
urgent
options.
matters, provide what? Provide hotline
Yes.
or what? How should we put this? Put that in?
Call button. I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
know how it's correct. No,
Okay.
in applications names. Yes, in applications.
Call or urgent. Uh, Assistance. Is what you're saying? Create a ticket. So what's okay? Ask assistance. Is it under ask assistance or let's put it in
It should be emergency SOS.
emergency? Okay.
Emergency SOS call.
Okay, that's good. Um, support page. Emergency call.
In the user stories, like final point, we can change that like urgent assistance to emergency SOS call.
Uh, how's that again? I can.
As a user, I can call.
Mhm.
I can do emergency SOS call, like calling to 911.
Mhm. Like this one. Okay. All right. Anything else? Okay, wait. Ask assistance. So We have 5 here, only 4 user stories. So what's missing? Parking assistance, create a ticket. Send feedback. Should the send feedback and create a ticket be the same, or put it in one point?
I think yes.
Okay. Create a ticket for feedback. Yeah. Okay. A ticket. Okay. Then put this one. Okay, anything else? All right. Okay. I think we're good with user. Unless anyone has anything else in mind. If not, we're good with this.
It looks okay.
Okay. So
Hey, Don, maybe
Huh?
in the login area we can suggest the agreement clause, like we are not responsible for something that happened with the car or something like that. You know, to be clear about the.
I think that would like come up when they first open the app.
when they register, it
Yeah.
should, yeah. We will have that in the. Let's put it here so we won't forget. Okay. Have disclaimers.
Include disclaimers. Yeah.
Include disclaimers when registering. Thank you, Edwin. All right. So I don't think we can go through all the users, but um, does anyone have any questions regarding how to create a user story? Because this is the same thing if we're
Yeah.
going to do the other one. But yeah, if you want, let's do another one. Which one's the next one? Parking slot owner.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just okay. Let's try to do another one. You know. I'll save. I don't know how to do another one.
You can add a page, other page. At the bottom, you have page 1, and
Uh-huh.
if you click on plus, you can create page 2.
Where should I
Uh,
click on plus?
bottom
This
bar.
one. Oh, okay. So
Yes.
okay. Thank you. Okay, so next one. Parking slot owner. Let's do this one, and then I think we can go on our separate ways for the next ones. Okay, because yeah, we'll take like at least 2-3
Yeah.
hours. Okay.
Not owner.
Okay. So let's do this.
Can you put owner, Don?
Sure.
Sorry.
That's fine. Okay.
Our user role spot owner. That's okay.
What is it?
Spot owner, not a parking
Oh,
slot owner.
okay.
Parking.
Spot.
Spot
Okay.
owner.
Okay. Okay. So now, does does it have a different homepage? Oh, after. So what's the difference? Well, for a user and a parking spot owner. So
I think
Post sports.
uh-huh.
for parking spot owners, I think there should be only one page more that would like submit a parking spot to be approved, like submit every file that's necessary.
Like a
The part,
document, like
yeah,
documents or
like ownership documents and
All the
a
legal
wa-
stuff.
a
yeah, the
Terms
waiver.
and
legal,
conditions.
right?
Yeah,
The legal stuff.
yeah.
Okay. Where should we put this? The homepage?
A homepage should contain the list of sports that
Spots and
has already been like
availability.
listed or something. Yeah,
Okay. So how do we
he
put it
should be
there?
able to post sport, right? Like if there is a sport available, he should be able to post it.
Post spot, parking spot. Is that it? Is that right?
He should be able to see the listed sports.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And he
A
should be able to remove.
list of parking spots.
Maybe we can add that in the next notes.
Mhm. So if you're an owner, you can also see available parking spots. You can post your own, right? If you have, for example, you have multiple spots, you can submit documents to say that is you're legally the owner of that parking spot. Okay, makes sense. Oh, anything else? Okay. Spot. List. The list of parking spots, is it just my list or,
Yeah.
just your list?
Of
Okay.
owned.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see them. Okay.
I can add more parking spots.
All right.
As a parking spot owner, I can submit the documents that are needed to verify my ownership or something. Legality.
Okay. Okay. Anything else?
Should we include login information or not?
Well, I think that the spot owner need to have a support area too.
What?
Like a support option.
Oh yeah.
Support
Like
option.
the user?
Is it different from the user's?
No, I think it's the same.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe it's not the same.
Okay. So how do we do that? Just copy this one?
I think yes. It's yes. Everybody needs support.
Okay.
Also, we have to copy the login and sign up from the first one.
Good point.
I think, yeah.
Or we can add, for example, in this user story in notes that, for example, login is identical for users and user owner, spot
Right.
owner, and
So,
etc.
so good point.
In-
So how do we do that here?
I
Where
think
should we
we
Just add
in
it again.
notes.
notes? Okay, notes. All right. Okay, so user no login. Login. Sign up. Is what accessible or same with parking spot owner and other roles?
Yes.
User roles, right? Or just put in other user roles.
I think we just should, ideal, we should write each user role.
We should
The
put in
same for,
everyone. Okay.
no, it's, if you at work, it's better, yes. But
Sorry.
if it's a real project, I think it's matter. But for this project, I don't know.
So what do you want to put in here? Is this okay? Parking spot
Yeah.
owner. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Other user roles. Okay. You're making me nervous, Dina. Okay. And then this one, support. Put in notes as well. Um, same spot owner.
Has the same support page.
Yeah. Okay. As same access, right? Or what? Same access to support page. Okay. Right?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Okay. We're good, guys. We're good.
Yes.
Okay. User, parking spot owner, homepage.
I think we need to put just an estimate.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Put in estimate.
3 days.
Anyway, 3 days?
What do you guys think?
Yeah, 3 days is okay.
3 days. Okay.
Yeah.
24 hours. Okay. Anything we need to put in the under notes? No. So is this it? This
I
parking
think
spot.
that's all for the parking spot owner, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's fast. Okay, so next we can finish this, I think. What's the next user role? Or should or Mhm.
We
administrator?
have administrator, parking manager, support, and inspector.
Yeah.
Okay,
Why we
so
created?
let's agree upon this. So for those who are assigned to the other users, wait, let me check the Trello.
I think that we can collaborate on that, right? It's like Google document where we can
Yeah,
maybe we can individually add and then just talk about
Okay.
it.
Right.
Yeah.
So this one we already created. Spot owners done. So administrator, who's this?
Oh, what?
Powad. Oh, and Powad is not here. Okay. Okay. Let's try to contact him. So make sure you're for the others that was not that's not yet discussed. What are those users again, Dina? Or anyone?
I just read
Administrator.
that for each prototype that has not been shown to be generated as a team, 5 points will be deducted. So we
So we
one,
should
two, three, four,
let's
five.
go through each and every one. Oh
We
my
should
god.
decide as a team
Okay.
what we will do with this.
But the recording would be too long. No?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Okay, we can do like a couple, and then the one that's assigned can build up on those. Is that fine with you guys?
Yes, I
Yeah,
think it's a
yeah.
good idea. We should create a
Like just
very
start
short
everything?
Yeah,
story.
let's start with one and then let
Yes.
the assigned person do the rest, okay?
Sure.
Yes.
All right, that's a plan. Good.
I think we can stop the recording here, no?
um I don't know. Are you guys good? Or let's just do
Yes.
let's just do
We
one.
can stop now.
Okay.
All right. So that's the plan. Let's discuss everything after. Okay. Let's okay. So how do we end this? Professor, if you're listening, that's the plan. So we're gonna go through each user role and as a group as well. But yeah, we're ending the recording now because it's taking up too long. Okay.